set. Her first round opponent in the state-of-the-art The People Strut. Racing out of Orange Grove, Texas, Lupe Sosa and the Advanced